Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I will be sharing the recipe for Gajar ka halwa, that is homemade carrot ka halwa recipe. Very quick and easy recipe. Let's get started. I have taken whole lot of carrots, nicely peel them, wash them and start grating them. Always I must share, this is my food processor which is a great help. You can see whole lot of carrots shredded in no time. Just 5 minutes time I have shredded whole lot of carrot. If you want to see the personal review of myself about this food processor, sure leave a comment. I will make it for you. I am preparing it in a wide open pan. Add all the shredded carrot. To that I will be adding milk, 1 liter of whole milk, any milk of your choice. Cover it and let it cook for some time. Until then, this is the khova I will be using in the recipe. In between, keep stirring because milk might always tend to boil and spill out of the pan. Often while making these kind of sweet, we will forget to soak the almonds. Today the tip is soak the almonds this way if it is very quick. Add some water in the cup and leave it in microwave for 1 minute. In 1 minute you can see you can peel these almonds very quickly. This is a quick tip actually whenever you forget. Always soaking overnight is the best, but this is when you forget. I am telling, for that reason only I am sharing this tip. Now I am adding sugar. This sugar was less than half cup I would say. In between I checked the sweetness according to our sweet palate. I just adjusted the sweet, that's it. After heating the almonds in microwave, leave it for 10 minutes to soak more. You can see how I have closed the lid little bit open. That will prevent from boiling the milk out of the pot. Now after 10 minutes, change the water and see how nicely it comes out very easily. You can just press it. If you press outside, it will just fly away. Press it inside your palm so that all the almonds will easily be peeled. This is the tip for today. Whenever you forget to soak your almonds, you can always take help of your microwave and easily peel all the almonds instantly. Now let's check our Gajar ka halwa. In between, always keep a watch on your Gajar ka halwa pot. That's how simultaneously we are working on khova, on almonds and as well as with this Gajar ka halwa on the stove top. Now you can see maximum liquid is evaporated from the Gajar ka halwa or the carrots. Now let's prepare the tempering. I have taken almonds. To that I am adding some raisins. These are melon seeds and some cashews. And the other thing which I have cut and kept is nothing but the mawa. Now in a small pan I am just taking enough ghee, that is clarified butter. Always keep an eye on your Gajar ka halwa so that it doesn't stick to the bottom and you have a burnt smell. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure consider subscribing to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Now we'll fry all the nuts. First I will be adding almonds which are little bit wet. It will take little longer time to fry. Then followed by that cashews and this melon seeds and all, very quickly they will get fried off. So even the same way the raisins also will get fried very quickly. So last only I am adding both of those melon seeds and raisins. Nicely give it a good stir. Now I'll take few of the fried nuts and the khova for just garnishing on top. Then rest all I will be adding inside our carrot halwa. Now after adding the fried nuts, I am adding 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and whole lot of mawa or khova. This mawa or khova will be little bit hard or not very soft because it is frozen mawa. I got it from the store. When mixed with the hot halwa, it becomes soft. Homemade is always the best. These kind of traditional sweet treats are winter special. In winters, in any parties or even at home after your hearty meal, these kind of hot sweet treats are very much appreciated. Definitely give it a try. It is very quick and easy recipe. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care, and goodbye.